Most construction teams don't lose money because of bad work. They lose money because of bad coordination, missed updates, and messy communication between office and field. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, construction management software is no longer optional. It is the system that keeps your projects from falling apart behind the scenes. In this video, you'll get an honest ranking of the best construction management software in 2026, what each one is actually good at, and which one fits your business type. Let's start with the industry giant Procore. Procore is built for large-scale construction projects. It handles everything from project management and RFIs to budgeting, quality control, and documentation. A project manager like Alex can use it to coordinate multiple teams, track progress in real time, and manage complex workflows across job sites. Now here's where it gets interesting. Procore is extremely powerful, but it is also expensive and can be too complex for small contractors. Next is Buildertrend. Buildertrend is designed for residential builders and remodelers. A contractor like Jake can manage schedules, client communication, budgets, and change orders in one system. But here's the problem. While it is very user-friendly, it may not scale as well for very large commercial projects. Third is CoConstruct. CoConstruct is focused on custom home builders. It helps with selections, client communication, budgeting, and job tracking. This is where CoConstruct shines. It keeps homeowners and builders aligned, reducing confusion during long residential projects. But it can feel limited if you need broader enterprise-level tools. Now let's talk about FieldWire. FieldWire is built for field teams who need fast coordination on site. A supervisor like John can assign tasks, share plans, and track issues directly from the job site. It is simple, fast, and very mobile-friendly. But it does not replace full financial or enterprise project systems. Finally, we have Autodesk Construction Cloud. Autodesk Construction Cloud is designed for teams that want deep design integration, document control, and advanced collaboration between architects, engineers, and contractors. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. No software is universally best. Each one is built for a different scale and type of construction workflow. So let's make this simple. If you are running large commercial projects, Procore or Autodesk Construction Cloud will give you the control you need. If you are a residential builder or remodeler, Buildertrend or CoConstruct will feel more practical. If your focus is field coordination, FieldWire is a strong, lightweight option. The biggest mistake contractors make is choosing software based on brand reputation instead of project size and workflow needs. That leads to overpaying for features they never use. So the takeaway is simple. The best construction management software is the one that matches your project scale, your team size, and how your work actually flows day to day. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software rankings and comparisons like this.